Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify game files on Battlenet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Battlenet. And once you open it here on the left hand side, what you need to do is just simply choose a game that you want to repair or verify files. Now what you need to do is just simply select it, and once you have selected it, here you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Right now you'll be seeing an update option, and there right beside you'll be seeing your gear icon. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be seeing these options, that is game settings, Sony Explorer, create desktop shortcut, scan and repair, modify, install and uninstall. Now all you gotta do is select scan and repair, and once you click on scan and repair, you'll be seeing a small pop-up saying scan and repair installation. This will perform a scan on your current game installation to identify missing or corrupt files. Once the scan is complete, a repair update may be required and will restart immediately. Now all you gotta do is click on begin scan, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.